In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the top religious and church WordPress theme. Okay, so basically, if you're looking forward to creating a website for a church or for a religious body or religious organization, using a theme that is specifically designed for that purpose will give you access to more functionalities, more features, and awesome demos. Like the themes I'm going to be sharing with you, they come with different demos that you can make use of or you can choose from depending on the kind of website you want to create, depending on the type of features and functionalities or layouts that you're looking forward to have in your religious or WordPress theme. And that's why I'm going to be sharing with you some of the themes that comes highly recommendable for creating a religious or church WordPress theme. Okay, so all the themes I'm going to be sharing with you, I'll leave a link to them in the description so that you can actually check them out, whichever one you want to pick from. All right, so before we get into the video, if you are new to this channel or you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button right now. It's absolutely free to subscribe, so go ahead, click on that subscribe button. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So with that now, guys, let's go over to the video and see some of the 7 best religious or church WordPress theme. All right, so the first one on our list is called Grace, right? So like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to leave a link to them in the description. So once you click on any of them, you're going to be seeing a page like this, okay? Then you see, the name of the theme, okay, who made the theme, the price, and then you're going to see this option, add to cart. All right, so once you want to purchase any of the theme, just go ahead and click on add to cart. And with that, you'll be prompted to either log in or create an account. So if you don't have an account with them, just go ahead and create an account. Just your email and your password will be fine. Or you can also just log in with your social media account. Okay, so with that, you'll be able to purchase the theme, which will give you access to download the theme files that you're going to import into your WordPress site. It's a simple process. You won't have problem doing that. Okay, and if at all you do, just let me know in the comment section below. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the first one on our list. It's called Grace. Okay, and you can see over 2,000 sales as at the time of making this video, going for $69. All right, so if you can see on the screen now, there's an Elementor logo here. That's to let you know that this particular theme works with Elementor Page Builder. So let's go ahead and explore other features. Okay, so you can see it here. So these are some of the demos. All right, so basically demos are already made websites or templates that you can actually make use of. Okay, so that's one of the interesting parts of some of these themes I'll be sharing with you. Okay, so if you want to check out the full feature of any of these demo website, so just go ahead and click on them. All right, you'll be able to see all the pages, all the sections. I won't be able to do that in this video because doing that will make the video longer than necessary. But however, I've left the link to all the themes in the description so you can take your time to check them out and pick whichever one you want to do work with. All right, so this is another one. It comes with about 4 different demo sites that you can actually choose from. Okay, so away from that, it comes with some other features, free AI updates. Okay, you can see free AI features, and there's a video guide to put you through some of the AI assistants that you might want to make use of. All right, make AI powered text and images with multilingual open AI prompts. All right, so you can see create premium images with AI engine. So these are some of the features that you're going to be getting with this theme. All right, so these are some other websites that also made use of this theme to create theirs. All right, you can see what Prayer Center, Charisma. All right, so these are some other websites. So in terms of benefits, you can see buy one, use forever, XD files included, 6 month support, premium plugins. All right, it works with Elementor Page Builder. That's what this section is letting us to know. So you're going to be getting access to some premium plugin. You can see $100 worth of premium plugin. Okay, example is this revolutionary slider. It's actually a paid plugin, but once you purchase this theme, you're going to be getting access to use this revolutionary slider. Basically, what is mostly used at the hero section of your website, like this particular section. Some of the effects that it will give you is courtesy of that revolution slider. All right, so this is the first one that comes highly recommendable. The name again is called Grace. Okay, I'll leave a link to it in the description. All right, so next on our list is called Zgen. All right, so this is a church WordPress theme. All right, so this comes with 10 demos, and then one-click demo import, flexible page, and SEO optimized, going for $69. All right, so now let's check out some of these features for this. All right, so this is one of the demo sites. All right, for this particular one, you can see the menu options. You can see there's a donate button. If you want to have a donate button on your church website or maybe offering or tithe or something like that, you can do that. You can see there's different social icon. You want to have social icon that you can click, or maybe you want to do live and then you want to indicate it here, you can do that here. You can see there's an address, and you can see that this section is is changing, looking very professional and looking good. This effect is also available to you courtesy of this particular theme. Apart from this home page, you can see there are different home page. I think there are about let's take a look again. There are about 9 different home page plus other homepage. All right, so we have this one for Christmas, we have every other ones. So you can just take out time to check out all of this homepage, which one you want to use. All right, so you can see different design, different, looking very colorful, you know, sleek and professional. So you can see this section, the about section. We have this section, ministries, means to contact. If you want to add sermon or blog posts, there's a section for that, and here is a footer. Right. So personally, I love this because of the color combination, the fonts, you know, the kind of images actually make sense and fits into a church kind of website. All right. So that is it on this one, Zengen. You can also check this out. So away from that, the next one is called Native Church. All right. So you can see this is a multi-purpose WordPress theme. Okay, that means you can use it even beyond church websites. All right. So you can see you can use it for non-profit, you can use it for church kind of website. And this is going for $69, all right, almost 9,000 sales at the time of making this video. All right, so let me show you some of the feature for this particular one. This also comes with different demos. So you can see if you click on demos now, it should take you to a page where you can see all the 5 demos that are available to you that you can choose from. We have the classic Elemental, then we have this one called Chapel, we have Parish, and we have Buddhism. All right, I hope I pronounced that well. And there's another classic. So you can choose from any of this. All right. So just what I'll just say is just go through them, click on it. You can see there's an option to view demo, to view it so that you can see all the pages. I won't be able to do that. Doing that here will make the video longer than necessary. Right. So imagine opening all the demos in this review. Okay. So in terms of reviews, you can see I bought this theme about 4 years ago and still runs well. Okay, so it comes with some Elementor Pro site origin builder and pages templates. All right, and in terms of plugin, it also comes with Eventer plugin, and these are some of the features that you're going to get with this plugin. All right, so you can use it to add events to your website. All right, and then also this iSummer plugins. You can see that was what I was mentioning earlier, that using some of this theme will actually help you in creating a professional kind of website, because you can see some of these plugins are actually paid plugin, but because you are purchasing a theme that is specifically designed for religion or church kind of website, you are going to be getting access to this iSermon. And these are some of the features that this plugin offers. List grid view for sermon, series topic, downloadable audio file, pop-up video and audio player, podcast functionality, built-in shortcode generator, and sermon importer. All right, so these are some of the features that you actually need in any kind of church website. Okay, you can see there's another one, iPrayer plugin. All right, and you also get revolutionary slider. All right, so you are getting a whole lot of paid plugins for less. I mean, just for one cost of $69, which is reasonable. Okay, so you can also check this out, Native Church. Okay, all right, so the next on our list is called Holy Church. So this is for religious, charity, and non-profit. And this particular theme works with Elementor Page Builder, like you can see here. It also comes with Revolutionary Slider, right? And if you want to add WooCommerce, to your church website, you can also do that, right? So this is going for $69, all right? So let me walk you through some of the features for this particular one. You can see it here. This is one of the demos. So let's look at the demo. So this is a demo here. It comes with 3 demos actually, all right? So these are the 3 demos that you are going to have access to. And if you don't want to use any of the demo, okay, it's not compulsory to use the demo. If you are very creative, you can also create yours. Okay, you might want to pick anything because of some of the added functionality that you're going to get. And if you want to use the demo, it's also not compulsory to use the entire section. There are some sections that you can easily take out and bring in yours. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to see more features for this particular theme in terms of inner pages. So we have some inner pages that are ready for you to make use of. Okay, so if you want to add some sell like a pro, if you want to add a shop to your church website, you can also do that. Maybe you want to sell the religious book and the Bible and the likes. Okay, so you can easily do that. Okay, so that's it on Holy Church. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinger to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinger is going to be one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there's an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are 3 plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay. And remember, you're also going to get some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25. And in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right. So once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here you see your summary here. Now the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinja. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59 ETH, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinja is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right. So now let's continue with our video. So welcome back, guys. So the next one is called My Religion. All right. So this is a church and charity WordPress theme. So let me show you what this theme actually offers. All right. So this is one of the home page right here. Okay. So this is what's one of the, if you choose it now, you want to work with one of the home page. So this is one of the ones you're going to be getting. All right. So if you don't want this, if you click on home, you see that there's another one, home classic, and then home modern. And then if you want to see the features, these are it here, salmon. So if you click on salmon now, there's a page for the salmon events, okay? And then a list of other short code. You can see there's a donate button here. If you don't want it to be donate, maybe you want it to be too tight offering or whatever. So you can have a button here that can do that for you. All right. So that is it for My Religion. So the last one on our list is called Shahar. I hope I pronounce this well. Okay. Now we'll be looking at, remember, it's a church and religious kind of thing we are looking at, and most of the ones we've looked at before now are strictly churches. All right. So for this now is more of a mosque and Islamic masjid WordPress thing. Okay. So this is going for $69, and let me show you some of the features for this. Now, one important feature for this is it supports RTL. Remember that Arabic, which it might be the most language, are written in from right to left. So this particular theme actually supports that features. Okay, in terms of the demo, it comes with 8 demos. So you can see this is Islamic Center one. This is Elementor. Now there are 2 page builders. We have Elementor. We have page WP Bakery for this particular demos. Okay, so you can see this is written, I think it's Arabic. Okay, so that means the theme actually supports that. So you can open any of them to check out some of the layout, the design, and see if it fits the kind of websites that you actually want to make or do. All right, so you can take a look at some other websites that are currently making use of those themes. Okay, so once you click on them, you're going to see that to let you know what you can achieve with this particular thing. Okay, so let me just try and open maybe this two now. Okay, so while that is opening up, so if there's anyone that you want to pick, don't forget the links to all these themes are in the description. So with that, now we've looked at, let me walk you through again. We looked at the first time, we look at Grace, we look at Zigen, Native Church, we look at Holy Church, we look at My Religion, and then we look at Shaha. All right, so talking about the demo, all right, I mean the other websites that are functional websites that are making use of this Shaha theme. So you can see this is it, one of them here, iCleany.org. I hope that's the correct word. So you can see, so this particular website now was created using this theme, right? So this is another one here. So you can see this is another religious website here. So let me show you. So you can see upcoming events. Okay, sure. Okay, support your local masjid. So this is more like a donation section. Like you can see here, and then we have like a blog section and some other important information here. All right, so that's to let you know a lot you can achieve with this particular theme and every other thing that I've shared with you so far in the course of this video. So with that, guys, I hope you actually find value in the video. If you do, please let me know in the comment section. Do make sure you give the video a thumbs up and let me know what kind of website you're creating, and then what kind of theme will you be making use of. Okay, so don't forget to check out the hosting. All right, I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video so I can take advantage of the 75% discount and the free domain that you are going to be getting. Okay, so all the information to that, you'll find them in the description of this video. So thank you very much once again for watching. My name is Prosper, and with that, I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.